lying down in bed. It is 10:15. I am exhausted. I might go to bed soon. However, anyway, I can hear my mum upstairs. She's supposed to be learning her script, and I can hear her snoring upstairs. So there's that. But today I didn't do anything. I went to work. And I came home. I had like a lovely morning. You know how yesterday I was saying I didn't like 9 to 5. Did I say that? I don't know. But today I was back on shift work and I was happy, so I got to sleep till like 12ish, which was great. She is snoring again. I got to sleep till 12ish, which was fabulous. And then what else did I do? Slept. And then I woke up and like got dressed and like sauntered out the door, and it was wonderful. Like it made me so happy to be back and doing shifts. And then I ended up coming home, and our friend who we did drama with has a baby, and we haven't seen the baby in like a month, so we went out and saw him because he's cute. So we went and saw him. He's just adorable, and we visited him, and now I'm home. I've just been chilling, sitting, watching stuff. Nothing exciting, like nothing exciting at all. And I think I'm gonna go to bed soon because I'm just enjoying this relaxing time. Because tomorrow I have to tidy. Our shower collapsed like in on itself, like the entire wall is no longer a wall of the shower. So they're coming to fix it on Sunday, and the pipes and like the floorboards and everything go into the roof of my bathroom, sorry, and my bathroom is a little bit of a mess. So I have to tidy it all and organise it. Basically, I was midway through organising the drawers and then gave up because I just gave up, and then it got cold. And so my bathroom doesn't have a heater in it, so I was like, I'm not going in there, it's freezing cold, and I like haven't gone in since, and it's been like, this was like before Christmas I was doing this, and so it's been a few months, and I literally have not really done any more organisation of it, and it's not good. So I'm gonna have to do that and like move everything out of the way so that he can get into it and not make a mess tomorrow morning. So yeah, that's kind of it. Oh gosh, I don't have anything else to say, so good night.